You do a page, I'll do a page. Oh, this is an easy book.
In the country of Chad, it is the first day of school. The dry dirt road is filling up with children. Big brothers and big sisters are leading the way.
Will they give us a notebook? Thomas asked. Will they give us pencil? Will I learn to read like you? Stop asking so many questions and keep up, say the big brothers and big sisters.
Thomas arrives at the schoolyard, but there are no classrooms. There are no desks. It doesn't matter. There is a teacher. We will build our school, she says. This is the first lesson.
Thomas learns to make mud bricks and dry them in the sun.
He learns to build mud walls and mud desks.
What are they building again?
A school.
That's right.
I thought you had it.
Oh, he gathers grass and saplings with the other children, and they make a roof.
Roof.
A roof.
Inside it is cool. Inside it is cool. It smells like the earth. It smells like all. It smells of the fields. Ready for painting. Thomas brings bring in little wooden tools. Everyone sits down. This is the moment they have been waiting for.
All right. The teacher brings in a blackboard. On it, she writes a letter. A, says the teacher. A, says Thomas with the other children. The teacher writes the letter with big strokes in the air. The students do the same, over and over. Wonderful, says the teacher.
She hands out notebooks and pencils. Page 1, says the teacher. Thomas opens his notebook to the first page and hold his pencil ready and waiting. Now write the letter A. Beautiful, says the teacher as she looks at the students' work.
Every day, Thomas learns something new. Every day, the teacher cheers him and the other children on. Excellent job, she says. Perfect, my learning friends.
The 9 months of the school year fly by. The last day has come. The students' minds, did I say that right?
Mm-hmm.
Minds are fat with knowledge. Their notebooks are rumpled from learning. Thomas and the other children call out, "Thank you. Thank you, teacher." She smiles and says, "Well done, my hard-working friends. See you next year." Thomas and the other children race home.
The school is empty and just in time. The big rains have started. The drops come down hard and fast. Strong winds tear at the grass roof. The rain finds its way inside. The school's mud walls are soaked and start to slump. The mud desk, too.
Slowly, the school disappears until there is almost nothing left. It doesn't matter. The letters have been learned and the knowledge taken away by the children.
Come September, school will start over. Thomas will be a big brother then, leading the children on their first day to school. They will all stand in front of their smiling teachers, ready to build their school again. Wow, that's amazing. So every year they have to build their school. Can you imagine that?
Yeah, no.
That's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
They have to start all over with a whole new school. And why do they have to build the school again?
Because it's super hard rain.
That's right.
Every single time.
That's right.
And the students are all ready to build it since they've been doing it every single year.
Mm-hmm. Good job.